Are you looking for phone cases that are premium yet low in price? Then you should definitely go and check the cases made by DesireDesire. Hey guys, how are you all doing? This is Vibro here from Tech Week team. And today in this video, I will be unboxing as well as reviewing these awesome cases by DesireDesire. If you don't know what DesireDesire is, let me tell you what they are. DesireDesire is a case manufacturing company that manufactures awesome looking cases, and they have a huge variety of cases that will suit your personality. This video is made possible only because of the awesome people out there in DesireDesire. They were really kind enough to send me 2 of their premium cases out for review. So a big thanks goes to them. If you guys are interested in checking out their website and all the different cases, the link will be down there in the description, so you can go ahead and check them out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so before review, let's cut up the package that we received from DesireDesire. Even though this is a case box or the package, but it weighs quite heavy, like it's around 0.5 kilograms, which is quite unusual. So let's take it inside what we have. So we see that it is a tin box with a beautiful graphics, and it says DesireDesire. It's quite unusual, you know, it's really beautiful. And below it says, "Thank you for being extraordinary, for turning ordinary on its head." Quite beautiful sentence. Well, this is a really great presentation, you know, it's quite amazing to look at. Let's see what we get inside the tin box. So inside we get the 2 cases itself. These are the leather cases. And also we get a booklet. Let's take a look at the booklet and keep the cases aside. So this says DesireDesire. Okay, let's try opening up the booklet and let's see what are there. Okay, so it says a few things, which is a really beautiful way of presentation. You know, it just feels quite premium and it's just awesome. You know, you can just go ahead and pause the video and take a look at it, what are written. And also there is a discount code for you guys. It says it's this Desire25 to get 25% off on your purchases. So that's a golden opportunity to get that discount. So let's keep this booklet down and let's take a look at the main item that we have. That is the case, that are the cases itself. These are the leather cases. Like I said, they have other forms of cases as well, which I'll be talking about later in the video. So this is kind of the olive green color, and the red one has a logo on the back, which is quite subtle and looks pretty dope. So it feels really great as well. Now let's take a closer look at the case itself. Well, the quality of the leather that they are using is really premium. You can feel the real texture of leather and also the smell of the leather. Leather smells great. Okay, so this case has really precise cutouts for camera as well as other ports as well. On the other hand, the open is kind of open, and same goes to the bottom part of the case as well. On the right hand side of the case, we have a big cutout for the buttons. Overall form factor of the case is really minimalist, and if you are a fan of minimalism, then you will definitely love this case. Don't get me wrong, this case is really light and quite durable. One thing to note, this case is not meant to save your phone from any drops or any crazy stunts that you might love doing if you're a stuntman. Jokes. This is just a case to keep your phone's back and the camera lens free from any scratches, but it does provide some degree of protection. The inner side of the case has some soft touch material and feels really satisfying to touch. It is basically given for a slight amount of cushioning effect for your phone. The base of the case is made of a plastic or so-called polycarbonate, if you call so, and it is layered with real leather, which just feels premium to touch. If you ask me, my favorite is the red colored one. It looks dope with my piano black Redmi Note 7 Pro along with the logo on the back, which is quite subtle, but it looks really dope. Other than that leather case, DesireDesire has a huge collection of cases. They have cool glitter cases as well as smacking neon cases that just glows in the dark. Other variety of cases as well as some of the fancy looking cases as well. They support really many brands, for example, big players like Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, as well as Xiaomi. If you ask me to rate these cases, I would rate them 8 out of 10. And the main reason for losing 2 points is number 1, the screen protection. That is, there is no raised border around the front of the case. Well, if you are like me and you like to keep the phone face upside down, then you are out of luck. If you are still doing that, then get ready to be embraced with some beautiful scratches. Okay, so number 2, the second reason why it lost the point is the large button cutout. I'm not a big fan of the large button cutout. If it was filled with some raised buttons, it would have been much more better. These are the 2 complaints that I have about these cases. Other than that, these phone cases are really awesome and it's a really good option if you want a premium case or a cool glitter case or any kind of cases that I have at such a low price. The quality of the cases are really top notch and even the packaging of the cases are quite amazing. If you're thinking of going ahead and buying one up for yourself, use the code DesireDesire25 to get an additional 25% discount on your purchase. Remember, this discount is time dependent and may not work if you're watching this video later this year or the next. But still, what's the harm in trying, right? Let's wrap up the video right now. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button along with the like button. And if you didn't like, well, the other button works fine as well. Well, this is Vibro signing out. Have a great day. God bless you all and thank you for watching. Until then, keep rocking. Thank you.